Oyster 2. So to get yourself in the right position for Oyster 2, your hip bones want to be stacked on top of each other. Your shoulders on top of the other one. You can have your top hand resting on the floor. You've got a little cushion or towel under your head, and you can either have your arm bent or straight. It depends on the flexibility of your shoulder. I personally like to have mine bent, but Paul likes to have his straight. So when you're checking your hips, a good thing to look at is the knees. So I'm just going to move Paul's legs here quickly. So ideally, you want these knees flush with each other. That will mean that your hips are straight. If you have one leg back here, that's going to mean your hips are slightly rolled back. Likewise, if you've got a knee over there, the hips are pulling forward a little bit. So that just helps it to align properly. So Oyster 2 is the same as Oyster 1, but this time we're just going to work with our feet elevated slightly. So Paul, if you bring your feet up a little bit. Now what you need to be aware of is often when people lift the feet, they roll in. You want to keep that hip stacked, so it's literally just the feet coming up. From here, start squeezing your feet together. So think of the bottom foot trying to push up and the top foot trying to push down. So there's a bit of resistance. You'll notice these muscles start working. And then the top knee floats up, and you can see Paul's muscles, they're working. And then squeeze your bum cheeks and allow the leg to come down. So come up. Again, you can do this on an exhale or an inhale, but just make sure you're pulling in. All these muscles the whole time, they want to keep working while you inhale through the rib cage. Long neck, so make sure there's no tension in the shoulders, the neck is long and the spine is long. And that is Oyster 2 for you.